Simplify. 16 to the power x plus 1 plus 20 times 4 to the power 2x. Divide 2 to the power x minus 3 times 8 to the power x plus 2. So these kinds of exponential math we have to solve step by step. How? Look, this 16 we can write 2 to the power 4, right? And here x plus 1 plus 20 times this 4 we can write 2 square and times here is 2x. Divide. Then 2 to the power x minus 3, this one we can write 2 to the power x times 2 to the power minus 3. How? As per law of indices, we know a to the power m plus n, we can write a to the power m times a to the power n, right? Then times, here is 8, we can write 2 to the power 3 and power x plus 2. Now we also know another law. Suppose a to the power m to the power n, it will be a to the power m times n. So here we can write 2 and here is 4x plus 4 plus here is 20 times this one we can write 2 to the power 4x and here is 2 to the power x times 2 to the power minus 3 times here we can write 2 to the power 3x plus 6, right? Because 3 times x is a 3x plus 3 times 2 is a 6. Then next we can write this one 2 to the power 4x times 2 to the power 4 plus 20 times 2 to the power 4x. Now look here, 2, 2, 2. We know once base are same, that time power can be added. So this scenario we can do two things. Suppose here is 2 to the power x times 2 to the power minus 3 times this one we can write 2 to the power 3x times 2 to the power 6. It's the same thing. Next we can write this is 2 to the power 4x and here is also 2 to the power 4x. We can take common 2 to the power 4x. So here will be 2 to the power 6, it means 16 plus 20 and here 2 to the power x and here is 2 to the power 3x. We can write 2 to the power x plus 3x times here is 2 to the power minus 3 plus 6. Then 2 to the power 4x times 16 plus 20, it will be 36 and here is 2 to the power 4x times 2 to the power minus 3 plus 3, it will be 3. Now look, here 2 to the power 4x and here is also 2 to the power 4x, we can divide. So here is 1 and here 36 and 2 to the power 3 means 8. So we can divide this fraction by 4. So 36 divide 4 is a 9 and 8 divide 4 is a 2, right? So 9 by 2, it's an improper fraction. This one we can write 4 1 by 2 and this is our answer. I hope you cleared this one. If these kinds of math, if you have any confusion, please write a line in the comment section. My channel name is Math Jeep, and this kinds of math is very important for any kinds of competitive examination. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.